Next up on the wacky doormat test, got a Dyson DC14 and a Hoover Windtunnel 3. And both of them, you can turn the brush rolls off. The DC14 has a really interesting rug plate, and it has like a dual nozzle. You've got some air intake here, you got some air intake right in here, right in the front. And if you go way back a year ago in my bare floor tests, this thing did very, very well. So let's see what both of them do. And I'm going to turn the brush rolls off because you can. These mats have never seen so much sand and flour ever. I think I'm going to do the DC14 first. I'll do the Hoover second. Let's see what happens. Away we go. Alright, set the bare floors. Let's let her rip. Get that little piece right in there. Okay. I guess I smashed that too much. Yep. 2 thumbs up for the DC14. Dyson really knew what they were doing with bare floor pickup. So really nice nozzle arrangement and did a great job. I think I probably just smushed something a little too much down there. Okay, so great job with this guy. Let's swap out. See how the Windtunnel 3 does. The Windtunnel 3, for a bagless system, has the highest airflow I've ever measured. Rounded, it's like 66 CFM. And I don't have a bagless machine that comes, well, maybe within about 10% of that, but that's really fantastic. So when Hoover decides they want to make something that's really spectacular, they can if they want to, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Sand down here. All right, let's see how this Hoover does. And it's got a rug plate on it that is completely flush. No inlets anywhere. Completely flush. I have the height adjustment set at 4. I think I'm going to put this down to, well, maybe I should put it down to 1. Hard floor. Certainly don't want it on a medium pile. Away we go. Ooh, it definitely left some. Absolutely. All right. Well, do the heck of it. I want to raise this up just a little bit. I can't believe it's going to make it any better. It should make it worse, but let me see. Huh. That's interesting. Oh, you know what? When I put it down on hard floor, you know what? I haven't tried the hard floor. Look at that. It actually raises it up when I put it on hard floor. Okay, so it looks like the lowest setting, at least on this, however it's reacting to this. Yeah, see, that's going up. That's going up. Okay, 2. So low carpet. All right, you know what? I'm gonna reset that. I have not done bare floor test with this, so I did not know putting it all the way down to 1 raised it up a little bit. I don't do that much hard floor, so we're going to do that again. How about that? Did everybody know that? When you put it down to its lowest setting, it's not its lowest setting. All right, let's see what it does now. All right, on position 2, low carpet. Well, that's a clean sweep. So if you have, you know what, I think I do see a little bit of sand stuck in it. It's little tiny holes. So if you have something like this, this machine treats it like low carpet. Who would have thunk it? All right, let's see what it does over here. That might be my fault. A little sticky. Last resort. All right, good enough. Anyway, that's a really nice job. But I guess for these mats, you got to stick it on number 2 low carpet. So great performance from both of these. But the Dyson did a better job setting it on its, well, its automatic setting, which is nothing. And the Hoover manually set it to number 2. All right, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.